Even if you step your game, you rappers are still a joke. Spitting sweeter than a full-size cup of vanilla Coke. If you think that you're the king, you better plan on stepping up. I heard a bunch of better rappers I could bring like 7-Up. It's not that I'm bittersweet, it's that I'm not gonna trust in a lot of people ever since I had my first crush. Sometimes stressing out can make me smoke about an ounce or two until my hair stand up, something like a Mountain Dew. And if you don't believe me, I could put the cherry in the cola with the lyrical verbal vocabulary. I don't do it out of Sprite. I feel the music till it gets me. I listen to the melody when never blue like Pepsi. And many times I just wanna live the dream with a little bit of glamour like soda with the cream. Scribbling cold lyrics like a telling in the winter. I've been a rebel since I drank ale with all the ginger.
Somebody saw the shot and she's got a cold drink for you.
Pop culture.
One gulp is for thirst, the other gulp's
Pop culture.
coming on a wave and end up at a party.
Pop culture.
It's gonna be a good evening.
Pop culture. I've been drinking beer down to the roof. To tell you the truth, just to give the buzz a little spruce. And I chug it down briskly. A bottle of whiskey's like a bottle of juice to me now. I'm barely tipsy, it's history to me. So I sit and write a tape soda. People could say that it's a form of escape into a world. I don't listen to what anybody states. I don't read what's from the grapevine, not even the grape soda. Haters that don't believe in us get their mug crushed like strawberry soda, black cherry flavor pop. Don't be a menace cause you might get caught like cheap coke, son. Listen to the drop, tonic water on the rocks. 2 liters for the pleasure, put inside a tall glass. Steady as I'm thinking about another adventure. It's hip hop, pop culture, another venture. Flavors mix together like a bottle of nectar.
One gulp is for thirst,
Nectar.
the other gulp's are for kicks.
Pop culture.
Coming on a wave and end up at a party.
Pop culture.
It's gonna be a good evening.
Pop culture.
One gulp is for thirst, the other gulp's are for kicks.
Pop culture.